So today's agenda is to clean up all of this and fix the studio room that's there. I need to clean this area as well, and the whole room is a mess right now. It's 1:13 right now. If you can see, yeah, it's almost 1:13, 1:14 right now. I have around 40 minutes, like keeping the fingers crossed. If the baby doesn't wake up, I have around 40 minutes to clean up as much as I can. So without doing a lot of talking, let's get started. I literally went into panic mode before getting my blanket order. Like, first of all, it's torn. I had ordered like few basic necessities, and this is the second time that it has happened that people get confused with my wing, because somehow we have this thing where A, B, C, D, E, all these wings are like kind of attached to each other, and I had specifically mentioned that leave the things outside the door. I have already recorded the message, and I had a special instruction in the blanket section. This guy delivered, and I was like, okay, thanks. Then I see that he had put a picture, like he had posted a picture that this is the place I have kept it, and I realized that this is not my house, this is not my door. I immediately call him. I was like, where did you keep it? And he's like, in your house. I was like, that's not my house. I was like, no, this is the correct house. I was like, I live in the house. How can that be possible that you have left it and that's not my door? He's like, no, I have kept it. And this has happened in past too, not with blanket but with Porter, where this guy delivered my blouse at another wing, and obviously because I do not have like a connection and they don't know your numbers, I was going back and forth with the porter guy back then, and that was right before, like one day before my baby shower, and it was so chaotic. I went into complete ruckus. I was so stressed back then. Today also the same thing happened, and he was just arguing with me. I was like, do one thing, just go back where you kept it and get it back from there. He's like, I'll make you speak to them. I was like, yeah, sure, please make me speak to them. Somehow that auntie is aware that every time the parcel comes, it goes into their place, and she just like, kind of yelled at him, like, this is C wing, you really need to read. And then I told him that keep it. Obviously he didn't have an option of posting the picture again, so he rang the bell, which I absolutely told him not to do, but then he did it. I was like, fine, I'll just take it. I told him that okay, I'll take it, just leave it there. And I went back after 3 minutes. Somehow, I don't know, someone was standing outside. I don't know who it was, because the moment I opened the door, the lift closed and I could see someone was there, and I was so scared. I don't know, I just felt so scared. I immediately took, and somehow this thing was also a little bit, I felt that someone was trying to steal these things. I don't even know, like, why would you steal this? Like, I know it's free stuff, honestly, but why would you steal a floor cleaner or a glass cleaner? Like, why would you steal a coulnd't? And it was scary. So yeah, I mean, that's one of the reason I don't leave things, tell people to leave it on hold, because I don't know if it will get vanished. So I'm yet to try this particular concealer. This is a very new concealer that I bought from Zudio, and this was like a really cheap one. This was for just $1.99. So I'm gonna try this. And this is one more concealer that I have. This is like a dupe for Maybelline. So yeah, one of my very old concealers. I really love this one. This is from Lakme, and rest are, this is from, this I guess the Body Shop. Yeah, this is one pretty expensive one, and the Milagro one. Both of these are a little on the expensive side. So I've kept all my base products in one basket and placing two of my powders that I have. One is this, which is from Makeup Forever. These are setting powders. There's one more, this one. This is Eba's Must Have. Now the only problem is that these ones are discontinued. They are not available anymore. So I have two of these. One is a banana powder and another is a translucent. So I'm going to keep these together, just making little space. I'm just going to do it like this. And I have an everyday compact. This is a very recent purchase. This is from Maybelline Fit Me, just a perfect everyday. And this is my go-to base makeup routine. I also have a primer right here. So yeah, that's it. So this is all of my skincare section, and I'm keeping all of my new sunscreens, old sunscreens together. This is the newest one that I have got. This is the Hydra Barrier sunscreen. This is from Dr. Cuticle. Again, another one that I really like is this one. This is Overlaps Ectoin Moist Sun. I am a very dry skin girly, so these ones work really well. I like my sunscreens to be weightless and give me that glossy effect. So this is another one which I use. You can see I've used almost everything out of this, just very little is left. Next I have another Beauty of Chosen sunscreen. It's a great for combination skin, but works really well if you have a normal to acne prone skin. And this one is another favorite. This is Numbers-In's. This is a very different green colored sunscreen, and this is also almost over, just very little, so just saving it for the best. And then I have very little of the serums that I have shifted to. So this one is the very popular Mixoon Bean Essence, which I have been using. Next is the Beauty of Chosen, the Glow Deep Serum. Now I use this as well as the sunscreen together in my AM routine. You might have seen me using in the previous video. This is the Mixoon's Bean Essence. I like using this with my foundation, just mixing it, giving it a nice finish, glass like skin. And then there's this one, which is the newest edition. This is the Soul 1988. This is a retinol kind of a serum which I use. This is a PM routine. This is a PM routine, so like to use this and the eye creme, which is this one, together. So this is a great combination. Apart from that, I have toners, the milky toners. Now this one is the rice toner. I've spoken about this again in my previous video in my Nykaa finds. And this is Laneige Cream Skin. Now this is a Serapeptide. I had to buy this because obviously it had my bias in it. And there's one more which is from Titter, which is again another great milky toner. I've spoken about this on my previous Nykaa finds. You can check out that video somewhere right here. It's day 2 and I have yet not completed this section. I was so tired by the end of the night that I literally gave up. I still have to finish this. I have to sort all of this out. Then I have to start, I have to finish this section. We all have that one chair in our house which is just filled with either clothes or just random stuff. This is that chair for me. So I still have a lot of situation down here, somewhere here also. And there is one little section in the corner where you see the vacuum. You see these at this rack also needs to be done.